Hi, just a quick message to anybody thinking of coming on a holiday or coming to a second home on Anglesey. We know how beautiful it is here, and as much as we look forward to welcoming you again in future, now is not the time. So whether you're thinking of travelling from within Wales or from across the border in England, remember Anglesey and Wales is closed to holidaymakers and second home owners. And it's an offence to be here. I wasn't too impressed that when Boris Johnson was talking about the loosening of restrictions, in that statement on Sunday evening, he was talking largely about England only. There's a danger in not making it clear that there is confusion. I wasn't too impressed either about these disparaging comments from a BBC correspondent.
But it is the ridiculous situation where somebody who lives in England on the Welsh border can drive all the way along to the coast of East Anglia to go to the coast, but can't cross, 5 miles across the border into Wales under this set of rules. But to be honest with you, no one's going to police that.
Well, he's wrong. I was speaking with the Chief Constable of North Wales Police this morning. We were talking about how police patrols will be stepping up over coming days. I'm hoping there'll be an increase in fines for people who ignore the instructions, and the instructions are very clear in Wales still. Stay at home to save lives, to stop the spread of the virus, to take pressure off the NHS. Also, it's bad for social cohesion. When people are giving up their liberties, it's not comfortable when people see others coming into their communities that don't somehow have to give up liberties in the same way. Bear Grylls gets it.
North Wales is a place we obviously love, I think, especially vulnerable communities, small rural communities, and just ever mindful of respecting them. And the thing is, places we all love in the country, our time will come. The time will come when it will leave and we'll be able to go back there.
So stay away, come back another day. Diolch yn fawr.